Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle Japan channel. I am coming up with another interesting topic in this video. I am going to demonstrate how to restore the PDB seed pluggable database has been corrupted, how to recover it with backup and without backup. I am going to demonstrate in this video uh, PDB seed, the data file, system data file has been corrupted, how we can restore. I am going to explore in a brief and detailed manner in this video. I have already prepared a documentation and everything, so I'm going to demonstrate in the live for you all. Once again, happy Independence Day to you all. Let's go to the video. Here it is. Oracle 12 CR2 new feature like container pluggable database and container database with the pluggable PDB databases. The seed PDB underscore seed pluggable database is an unusable state. Here is how you can recover and recreate it. There is different method is there. I am exploring here PDB underscore seed pluggable database recover method. There will be 3 methods available. So part 1 I am going to demonstrate recover PDB seed using backup method, and part 2 the video I am going to recover PDB seed using existing PDB without backup, and again part 3 video recover PDB seed from another PDB seed without backup. So there will be different recover method for PDB seed database, pluggable database. I am going to bring you in detailed manner, and also I am going to demonstrate in the live example. So I am going to demonstrate in this 3 different method with 3 different part of videos. Okay, let's go to the topic. Oracle 12c has introduced the multi-tenant architecture for an Oracle database, where a single container database CDB root can have multiple pluggable databases PDBs. Yes, as you are aware of this multi-tenant architecture in Oracle 12c, this new architecture is introduced to ease the management of Oracle databases, whereby we can consolidate multiple Oracle databases into a single container database CDB. In the multi-tenant architecture, ideally we use the seed template pluggable database PDB $seed to create any new pluggable database within the container database CDB $root. Alright. The seed pluggable database PDB $seed act as the template for creating fresh pluggable databases, and we are not allowed to alter the configuration of seed pluggable database. By default opens up read-only mode. Absolutely right. Let's go to that. Here it is in my lab. I am having 12c databases running CDB1. So here it is, my container database name CDB1. There is one pluggable database. Here it is the PDB seed, PDB $seed database, pluggable database. It is in read-only mode, and CDB1 plug. It is pluggable database I have created. It is read-write mode. So it will by default it will open read-only mode, right? There are possibilities that the seed pluggable database PDB $seed may become corrupt or unusable due to file system issues or due or any other unforeseen reason. In that case, what we can do, like we can't use the seed pluggable database PDB seed for creating new pluggable database in the respective container. Alright. If This PDB seed, it's a template for creating the pluggable databases. If this got corrupted by unforeseen situations or any file system corrupt, we cannot be able to create any pluggable databases in this container. All right. So in this, all right. So in this video, I'll discuss about different methods that we can follow to recover or recreate the seed pluggable database PDBs that are seed in the event of seed being is in a unusable state or corrupted. Okay. So first method I'm going to demonstrate. Recover PDB seed using backup. Backup is the first place of defense to recover to restore a database. Obviously, absolutely right. It is always recommended to backup the databases to be able to restore it and recover it. Absolutely, in a database environment, we should immediately, when we configure or created the database, immediately we need to configure the backups for the database. Wow. Archive log backups every 15 minutes and incremental forever backup and weekly full backup. We need to schedule in the database for this. Any unforeseen situation, any physical damage of the server, any file system issue, we can easily restore the database with that backup. Okay. In the multi-tenant architecture, we have an option to taking up the individual pluggable databases or all the pluggable databases together along with the container database. So in multi-tenant architecture, what will do? We have to configure the backups on a container level. Whatever the container having the pluggable database, it will take as a whole at a stretch all the pluggable databases as well. We can restore every individual pluggable database as well. In that, if you record any of the pluggable database, restore or recover, we can restore it any of the particular pluggable database as well. But it will take wholesome that all the container, whatever the pluggable database is having, it will take whole backup, full backup, all the pluggable databases with PDB seed, right? So if the seed pluggable database become unusable, we can restore it using the backup. Here is the pictorial representation of that overall process involved in restoring a seed pluggable database from a backup. Since I am simulating this failure of seed pluggable database PDB $seed, let me take a backup of the seed pluggable database for this demonstration. Okay, let me take that PD exclusively. We are going to take backup of the PDB seed database. We will use this backup to restore recover the seed database later. Okay. All right. Taking backup of seed pluggable database PDB seed. Okay, let me connect to that RMAN. I'll show you here. RMAN target. I am going to take backup exclusively for PDB seed database. Okay. All right. I'm executing the backup. It's starting the backup. So you can see here exclusively it's taking the backup of PDB seed database system files, database files. By default, it will take control file and execute auto backup. Okay. All right. Now, so you can see here. Just now we have executed. This is old backup pieces. 8 August. Now we have taken this one. This is the tag of this PDB seed backup, the pluggable database backup pieces. This is for control file and auto data file, sheet file backup sheets. Okay. Now, for the purpose of demonstrating, I am deleting the system for demonstration purpose. I am deleting the system data file belonging to the seed pluggable database. PDB data seed as shown in below. This will make the seed pluggable database unusable, and we will not be able to use seed pluggable database for creating new pluggable database in the respective container database CDB data root. Okay. In real-time scenario, the seed pluggable database may become unusable due to the number of unforeseen reasons. Number of unforeseen reasons. It will immediately go to that unusable state if anything goes wrong in that PDB seed database, pluggable database. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll come out from here, or else we can see from here. Select name from $data file. Okay. So you can see there will be 3 data files: undo, PDB seed sys and such. I am going to remove this one. Exit. So here it is a demo. What is the delete system data file from seed pluggable database? I am going to remove that RM. So -LRT. There is no such file or directory. Alright. So I have deleted the system data file belonging to seed pluggable database. We will say let's try to create a new pluggable database using the seed pluggable database. Okay. So now I am going to create that new pluggable database using the PDB seed. Well, because PDB seed is the template for creating new pluggable database, right? That is what. So I'm going to create the command like create pluggable database CDB2. This is a new pluggable database. Admin user PDB admin identify Oracle file name convert. This is a PDB seed location. You can see here. This is a PDB seed location, and this is a new pluggable database location. We need to create exclusively. We need to create. So ls-ld. There won't be any directory. Right. So we need to create for file name convert purpose. We need to create the new pluggable, right? So I have created. Now you can check it is there. All right. So now I will show you sysdba select star from global underscore name. So PDBs. Okay, there will be one PDB. It is there. Now I am going to create this pluggable database. Okay, as expected, because of we cannot be able to create the missing of system PDB seed pluggable database. There will be a system data file missing, so we cannot be able to create pluggable database in the root container. All right, you got it. So as expected, we are not able to create new pluggable databases in seed pluggable databases. PDB seed. Let's use the seed pluggable database backup to restore recover to the seed pluggable database. We need to close the seed pluggable database to be able to restore the missing file. Okay. Let's close the seed pluggable database. Now, if we try to close the pluggable database as well, we cannot be able to do that. Okay, let's see the demonstration. Alter pluggable database PDB seed close immediate. So we should bring down to mount state, then only we can be able to restore the missing data file, right? Since it won't be allowed because the Oracle script it will be true means it will be allowed, otherwise it won't be allowed. So parameter, what we'll do, we if sometimes we cannot be able to close PDB seed database, as we can because we are not allowed to alter the database pluggable seed database. Sometimes it won't be allowed because we need to enable alter system set, that is this parameter we need to set, then only we can be able to close it and open the pluggable database. Okay, by this time it is opened, so there is no issues at this time. Let's restore missing seed data file using the backup was taken earlier. Okay, so now coming out from here, connect RMAN target list backup of data file to we are getting error like error we are not using in recovery catalog, right? Yeah, got it. Why we are getting this error? We have taken backup exclusively for PDB. Okay, that is what we are getting error because it is connected through that entire database container database. It is got connected. We did not initiate the full backup, so that what we can do, restore database PDB $seed. So whatever the missing data file, it will be restored. So you can see here now the database PDB seed, the system data file we have deleted. Now the file will be restored. Okay, now you can come out and check this file whether it has been available or not. Earlier we have deleted, right? Yeah, it is available. Okay, right. So it has been. Now so PDB alter pluggable database PDB seed open read only. So PDB, okay, perfect, right? So we did that this time. We have successfully restored the recovered the seed pluggable database PDB seed. Now we should be able to create a new pluggable database using the seed pluggable database as shown below. So like we are going to create now. Again we are going to create. Earlier we got, you can see earlier we got this error while creating. Now again we are going to create that pluggable database new PDB from CDB PDB $seed, right? From CDB to plug we are going to create. So there will be two databases. One pluggable is there, another plug we are going to create. Now you can see there won't be any error throwing. It's creating. Now the pluggable database has been created. You can see here. So CDB2 it has been created. Alter pluggable database open read write. Okay. So the new pluggable database has been created using that existing PDB. We have successfully restored, corrupted, or invalid an unusable PDB seed, PDB seed pluggable database. How to recover if it is got corrupted in any unforeseen situations, any storage or any file system issues. How to recover that PDB seed pluggable database using backup. Okay, we have discussed and demonstrate in briefly manner. Here it is. This is a small recap what we did in the real time. And coming to conclusion, in this video I have explored to how to restoring and recovering, recreating a seed pluggable database, seed in the event of seed database being the unusable state. It is always recommended to take periodic backup of that seed pluggable database, even though it is just a template for creating other pluggable databases. In the presence of valid backup, the seed pluggable database restoration and recovery becomes hassle-free and straightforward method. However, we will have some other ways, we will see it in next video, to recreate that seed pluggable database in the absence of valid backup. So next couple of videos I am going to demonstrate how to create PDB pluggable databases without backup methods. Okay, alright guys, hope you liked this tutorial And hope you enjoyed this session as well. If you really liked this session and this video, kindly subscribe Oracle F1 channel. Kindly do share with your friends and DBA connections. And we will see you in next video. Part 2 will be coming in next video. Thank you all. Thank you guys. See you all. See you in next video. Bye.